Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy coins on KuCoin mobile. We will guide you through the entire process, from setting up your account to making your first purchase. You'll learn how to deposit funds, select your desired cryptocurrency, and execute a buy order with confidence. This comprehensive guide ensures you can easily acquire digital assets using the KuCoin mobile application, empowering you to begin your crypto journey today. To begin, you need to fund your KuCoin account. First, open the app and navigate to the Assets section. From there, select Deposit and choose whether you want to deposit fiat currency or a specific cryptocurrency. Follow the clear on-screen instructions, paying close attention to network selection and deposit addresses for crypto. Your funds should appear in your account within a few minutes to an hour, depending on the asset and network congestion. Once your account is funded, it's time to place your buy order. Head to the Trade section of the app and select the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade, for example, Bitcoin versus Tether. Choose Buy and then select your preferred order type, like a market order for instant execution or a limit order for a specific price. Enter the amount you want to invest, review all the details, and then confirm your purchase. After placing your order, you'll want to confirm your purchase. Navigate back to the Assets section, and you should see your newly acquired cryptocurrency reflected in your balance. You can also check your order history for a detailed record of the transaction, including the price and quantity. Remember to always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication. Now you're ready to explore other features or simply hold your new digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.